about every state in the western United States kind of contributing to some of the smoke out there. But how about those temperatures? 90s, triple-digit heat again. A few degrees shy of the record highs, and really you could kind of attribute to some of the cooling to the fact that we have so much smoke in the atmosphere, kind of keeping the temperatures down a couple of degrees, just like a cloud cover does. Air quality, north of Great Falls, we're looking at moderate air quality. South there, a little more higher concentration of smoke, and it's just downright unhealthy in Hamilton, Butte, America, and down there around Bozeman. Now, I mentioned the winds. They've been out of the west here over the last few days. Well, heading into tomorrow, we will see that wind switch around to the north and the east through the afternoon. A lot of erratic wind by some thunderstorm activity here, and then heading into Wednesday, we'll also be looking at more of a north to northeast flow here. So hopefully it's not too problematic for the firefighters, and also hopefully this kind of pushes some of that fire back in on itself, because again, a lot of these fires have grown west to east, and now we've got more of a north and northeast wind, and again, hopefully that pushes it back on areas that have burned already. Maybe a couple of showers moving through north central Idaho, but let's take a look at some of the fires here. The Balsinger fire, this one very, very bad here because it continues to grow and moving in the direction of Nyhart and Highway 89. The Ellis fire, not much growth on that one. How about the Harris Mountain fire? Wow, almost 12,000 acres. 0% containment. There's that Woods Creek fire up in the Big Belts. You could probably see all that smoke if you were at Red Ants Pants, a music festival over the weekend. The American Fork fire, 10% contained. How about the Dry Cabin fire? This one in the south end of the Bob. Not really showing much growth on that one. The Hay Creek fire is up over 1,000 acres. This one just west of Pole Bridge. And we've got 3 big fires here in southwest Montana. The Alder Creek threatening homes up over 7,000. The Christensen fire up over 4,000, 0% contained. And how about that? The Trail Creek fire exceeded 30,000 acres over the weekend. 0% containment on that one. Still a lot of the smoke, though, coming from the Snake River complex, the Cub Creek 2 fire in the northern Cascades, the Bootleg fire, almost 410,000 acres. And over the course of the weekend, the Dixie fire in Northern California grew by about 90,000 acres. So still not a lot of wildfire activity, though. Good thing down in the southwestern United States because of that monsoon. Actually, most of Arizona was under a flash flood watch all day yesterday because of some heavy rain, but we're still looking at some of that smoke coming up into the sky here, and of course with some clouds coming too. It's going to be extra gray over the next couple of days here, but for Tuesday afternoon, may get a couple of isolated thunderstorms around Great Falls and up off the Rocky Mountain front, and potentially coming up through parts of Lewis and Clark County Tuesday afternoon. But a little better chance of some rain and also some rumbles of thunder coming through here on Wednesday afternoon. Here's the forecast for tonight. A smoky night with not the best air quality out there. Kind of warm too. Lows in the 60s for most locations. So those temperatures, even at the nighttime hours, are above average. And here's the forecast for tomorrow. Hot, hazy, smoky, more clouds than today, and a couple of isolated thunderstorms coming up off of the Rocky Mountain front through the afternoon. Remember, excessive heat warning in eastern Montana, 105 for Glasgow, Lewis down about 99, and there may be a couple of storms around the capital area tomorrow afternoon. Here's the 7-day forecast and isolated storms. Temperature staying in the 90s though, and it does look like a good chance for some moisture coming in late Sunday into Monday.